With all the CAD products out there in the market today, how do you find the one that's right for you? IronCAD is a truly unique product within the industry today. Its innovative approach to design ensures designers can create and, more importantly, modify geometry quicker and more reliably than conventional parametric-based modeling systems. Our growing base of users tell us that it's easier to learn, faster to design, much better for concept design, flexible enough to make unplanned design changes, not dependent on mates or constraints, easier to collaborate and share data throughout their organization. But how does it do all that? And what makes it so different? IronCAD's design philosophy is based around using real solid geometry from the start, not a 2D profile. This means you will not need to create planes for every part. Our unique handles, tribal, and catalogs ensure that you'll be spending less time in 2D sketches. IronCAD uses intuitive grip handles, enabling simple push-pull size adjustments so you don't always need to edit a sketch. This works with all different standard shapes and is customizable so you can build your own sketchable parts. IronCAD's unique triball allows you to place, position, and pattern parts in 3D space. This is the only tool you will ever need for repositioning, so it keeps you focused and thinking in 3D. The triball can be used to manipulate, copy, and pattern features, parts, and assemblies. Our catalogs will be your new best friend. Any components you need to reuse can be stored in these graphical libraries. Catalogs hold all your part data and are able to link assembly rules and design intent, providing control over how they can be used and placed. Our base catalogs are an easy way to get started, but soon you'll be creating and customizing until you create a catalog completely your own. You can then distribute your catalogs and share them throughout your company. Conventional CAD systems struggle with history, structure, and order. In IronCAD, features are independent. You can delete or modify any feature that is higher in the tree structure without fear of crashes. You can even reorder history, allowing parts to reference geometry created later in the design. IronCAD offers a unified design environment that allows you to have several editable parts and assemblies in a file at once. These parts can be hidden, suppressed, or ghosted to focus on the parts you want to edit, but will still allow you to bring them back whenever you need them. Mates and constraints are optional in IronCAD. In IronCAD, your parts won't float away, so mates and constraints are only necessary with moving parts in mechanical motion. Removing this requirement saves time and increases efficiency when creating larger 3D models. Creating drawings is a simplified process, giving users the ability to produce more with less time required. Drawings can be created with several views from the same file or from multiple files. Using the bulk drawing creation tool, you can set up template files. This allows you to automatically create views as well as generate a bill of materials with only a few clicks. Direct editing of imported parts. IronCAD can directly edit parts that come from other CAD software with the direct editing command similarly found in other CAD products. These direct editing tools can be used from IronCAD's existing functionality, so this process makes external 3D data much easier to edit. Sheet metal done differently. IronCAD offers a full catalog of sheet metal tools that use IronCAD's functionality to manipulate and create sheet metal parts easily. These tools use IronCAD's handles and triball for quick and easy manipulation, simplifying the motions to be the traditional drag and drop. Structural steel. IronCAD has tools that allow users to create structural steel parts and assemblies, which enables you to use drag and drop to design, cut, and place your steel parts accurately. All of these functions and features show that IronCAD really is easier to learn, faster to design, much better for concept design, flexible enough to make unplanned design changes, not dependent on mates or constraints, easier to collaborate and share data throughout the company, and delivers just a little bit of CAD magic. To find out for yourself, why not download it and try it for yourself today? www.ironcad.com